Welcome to English Listening Stories. Today's story is calm, slow, and easy to follow. Anna just finished a long business conference at a hotel. She feels tired, stressed, and mentally exhausted. Then her friend shows her a quiet hotel spa downstairs. Warm tea, soft music, and a relaxing evening slowly change her mood. This story uses simple, everyday English and the natural conversation to help you relax and learn at the same time. Here's today's listening question. What kind of tea does Anna drink at the spa? Listen carefully. The answer is in the story. And after the video, try writing your answer in the comments. It's a great way to practice English and remember new words better.
Long day?
Very long day.
You look exhausted.
I am exhausted. My feet really hurt.
Yeah, we walked a lot today. Too much walking, too many meetings too. The conference was busy this year.
Busy and loud.
At least it's over now.
Thank goodness.
Did you eat dinner yet?
Not yet. I just wanted to sit down first.
Same here. I took my shoes off 5 minutes ago and I already feel better.
That's a good sign.
My brain still feels busy though.
I know that feeling.
I talked to people all day.
Me too. I'm tired of smiling.
Exactly. Oh, by the way. I walked past the hotel spa earlier.
The spa downstairs?
Yeah, it looked really nice.
Really?
Soft music, warm lights, very quiet.
That sounds nice.
They also had tea near the front desk.
Tea sounds amazing right now.
You should go tonight. Maybe. Come on, you deserve it. I don't know. I've never used a hotel spa before. It's easy. You just walk in and ask questions.
Maybe I'll feel awkward.
Nobody cares. Everyone there looked relaxed and sleepy. Honestly, sleepy sounds perfect right now. See? That means you need it.
I just want to relax for 1 hour.
Then do it.
Maybe after dinner.
Good idea. Is the spa expensive?
I'm not sure, but you can ask first.
True. And tomorrow we fly home. Don't remind me. One relaxing evening first, then the airport tomorrow.
That actually sounds perfect.
So, spa first or food first?
Maybe tea first, then food, then spa.
That sounds like a very good plan.
I already feel calmer just thinking about it.
Good evening. Welcome in.
Hi.
Long day?
Very long day.
You look tired.
I am tired.
Business trip?
Yeah, a conference upstairs.
Ah, that explains it. We had many conference guests today.
Really?
Yes, most people come here after dinner.
I can understand why.
Is this your first time here?
Yes, actually.
No problem. I can explain everything.
Thanks. Take your time. This place smells really nice.
Thank you. We use jasmine oil.
It feels very calm in here. That's the idea. I think I need this tonight.
You definitely look like you need some rest.
I walked all day today. Your feet must hurt. They really do.
Then I recommend a relaxing massage.
What kind of massage?
A gentle, full-body massage, very popular with travelers.
That sounds perfect.
We also have hot stones and foot treatments.
Maybe something simple tonight.
Of course. How long is the relaxing massage? We have 30 minutes or 60 minutes.
I think 60 minutes sounds better.
Good choice.
I just want to relax and stop thinking for a while.
I hear that a lot.
Really?
Especially from conference guests. That makes me feel better somehow. You're not alone. That's nice to hear. Would you like some tea while you wait?
Oh, sure.
We have green tea and ginger tea tonight. Green tea, please. Great choice. Thanks. You already look a little more relaxed. I think the music is helping. The tea will help too. Honestly, this is exactly what I needed tonight. Let me check the schedule for tonight.
Okay.
We still have 2 open times.
That's good.
We have 5:15 or 5:50.
50 minutes?
Sorry?
The massage is 50 minutes?
Oh, no.
Oh.
I mean the start time.
Ah.
One massage starts at 5:15. The other starts at 5:50.
Oh, I understand now.
No worries.
Sorry about that.
It happens all the time.
Really?
All the time.
Okay, good. That makes me feel better.
Which time would you like?
What time is it now?
It's 5:05 right now.
Then maybe 5:50.
Good choice. I want a little more time to sit here first. Of course.
This tea is really helping.
I'm glad you like it. And honestly, the quiet is nice too. Most people say that. The conference upstairs was so loud today. I can imagine. My phone rang almost all day. You should turn it off tonight. That sounds scary. Just for 1 hour.
Maybe you're right.
You deserve a quiet evening.
Thanks.
Let me write your appointment time down for you.
Oh, thank you. Here you go. 5:50. Perfect.
Exactly. This is probably a silly question. There are no silly questions here.
Do I need to bring anything?
Nope. We prepare everything for you.
Really?
Towels, slippers, tea, everything.
Wow, that actually sounds amazing.
Tonight is all about relaxing.
I think I'm starting to relax already. Wow, this place is really quiet. I know, it feels completely different from upstairs. The conference floor was so loud today. Too loud. I think my ears are still tired. Mine too. How's the tea? Really good. Green tea, right? Yeah. Good choice. It's warm and calming. You already look more relaxed. I actually feel more relaxed. That's good. Honestly, I didn't realize how tired I was today. Sometimes you notice it only when things get quiet. That's true. How was the front desk? Really nice. Was the receptionist friendly? Very friendly. Her name is Lily. Good. She explained everything slowly and clearly. See, I told you it would be easy. Yeah, you were right. Did you book the massage already? Yup, at 5:50. Nice. Although, what happened? I misunderstood the time at first. Really? She said 5:50 and I thought she meant 50 minutes. Oh no. It was a little embarrassing. Honestly, I probably would have made the same mistake. Really? Absolutely. That makes me feel better. Did she explain it again? Yeah, very slowly. That's nice. She even wrote the time on a card for me. That's good customer service. Everyone here seems calm. I think that's part of the spa experience. I wish airports were like this. Imagine quiet music at the airport and free tea everywhere. That would change my life. Same. So, are you excited now? Yeah, I really needed this tonight. You deserve it. Thanks for telling me about this place. Anytime. Honestly, I already feel better just sitting here.
Welcome back. Hi. How is everything? Honestly, amazing. I'm so glad to hear that. I feel completely different now. Different in a good way, I hope? Definitely. You look much more relaxed. I really am. How was the massage pressure? Perfect, not too strong. Good. I almost fell asleep once. That happens a lot here. The music was so calming. We try to keep everything peaceful. And the warm towels were amazing. I'm happy you liked them. I didn't realize how tense my shoulders were.
Travel stress builds up quickly.
Apparently.
Was this your first hotel spa experience?
Yeah, my first one.
Then you picked a good place to start.
I think so too.
Did you enjoy the tea as well?
Yes, the green tea was really good.
That's one of our most popular teas.
I can understand why.
Are you traveling home tomorrow?
Yeah, early flight.
Then tonight was probably a good idea.
The best idea.
You deserve some rest after a long conference.
Thank you.
Did your friend come with you tonight?
Yeah, she's still in the waiting area.
She looked tired too. We both had a very long day. Well, you look much happier now.
I feel happier now.
That's wonderful.
Honestly, I forgot what relaxed felt like.
A lot of people say that these days.
That's kind of sad.
Maybe, but at least you took some time for yourself tonight.
True.
You should do this more often when you travel.
I think I will.
Even one quiet hour can help a lot.
I believe that now.
Well, thank you for visiting us tonight.
No, thank you.
Have a peaceful evening. I think I finally will.
There you are. I'm back. Wow, you look completely different now. In a good way? Definitely in a good way. I feel so relaxed now. I can tell. I think that massage saved my life. That good, huh? Seriously. Okay, tell me everything. Well, first I went downstairs after dinner. Right. Then I walked into the spa lobby. The quiet room. Yeah, it smelled really nice in there. I noticed that too. Then Lily welcomed me at the front desk. She seemed really friendly. Very friendly. What happened after that? She asked if I wanted tea. Green tea, right? Yep, green tea. Good choice. Then she explained the massage options. Was it easy to understand? Mostly. Mostly? I got confused about the appointment time. Oh yeah, the 5:50 thing. Exactly. Honestly, that still sounds confusing to me. Thank you. That makes me feel better. But you figured it out. Yeah, Lily was very patient. That's nice. After that, I sat in the waiting area with my tea. That room was so peaceful. I know. No phones ringing, no people talking loudly. It felt amazing. And then the massage? Best part of the night. You almost fell asleep, didn't you? Almost. I knew it. The warm towels were incredible too. Now I'm jealous. You should book one next time. Maybe I will. Honestly, I didn't realize how stressed I was before tonight. Sometimes your body notices first. That's true. So, what did we learn today? Take breaks sometimes? Definitely. Drink more tea? Also yes. Don't wait until you...
What a peaceful evening for Anna. At the beginning of the story, she felt exhausted after a long conference day. Her mind was busy and her body was tired. But little by little, things changed. The quiet spa, the warm tea, the soft music, and the kind conversations helped her finally relax. And you listened to the whole story in English. Great job! Slow listening practice like this helps your English grow naturally. Small steps are important. And today, you practiced real-life English in a calm and comfortable way. Now, let's go back to today's listening question. What kind of tea did Anna drink at the spa? If you know the answer, write it in the comments. Writing your answer helps you practice English, improve your memory, and understand the story more deeply. And if you enjoyed this relaxing story, please like and subscribe to English Listening Stories for more calm and beginner-friendly English practice.
If you would like to support the channel and help us create more gentle English stories, you can also join our channel membership. Thank you for listening today. Take your time, keep practicing, and see you in the next English listening story.